I know many of us have a lot of fatigue when we're sick and diseased. So a quickie, besides the main central, which is just what we showed you earlier, I'm doing it really fast now so you can remember. Instead of doing that, what you could do is just hold your elbows. I take my thumb and put it in the crease and fold all fingers over this way. And if for some reason you can't reach and you can only do one, that's fine. Then switch the other one. But if you can do both, that's great. But just putting them like this and breathing, really good for you. And with fatigue, I find that saying an affirmation is very helpful. So what I like to say with fatigue is, I am enthusiastic about life and filled with energy and enthusiasm. And you can just repeat that over and over again. I am enthusiastic about life and filled with energy and enthusiasm. If you're not feeling like this is doing too much, bring out the arm, take your right index finger and put it in the crease of that elbow. Fold it up, then grab the rest of the arm or the elbow like that, and then you're placing your hand like this, like all the other moves, on your shoulder. This can be uncomfortable for some people, so if it's not good for you or if it hurts your finger like that, you can pull your finger out and just grab your entire elbow. This is really easy to do at night. You can just lay down, put your hand here, and lay on your side. And it's really easy to do, or you can lay on your other side with your elbow. You just play with what you feel is effortless for you and what feels good. And after a while, you might realize, that didn't really help me too much. So just put that at the side and then try some other flows and see which ones that are your favorite. Be your own artist and create your own flows for your health. So we will see you later. Bye.